Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Propstream account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of condos using your Propstream account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of condos in Propstream anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing wholesale real estate, there's no point in wasting your advertising budget for properties that you're just not interested in. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propstream dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propstream, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of condos, first you're going to have to choose your farming area. So it could be a city, it could be a county, it could be a zip code. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just type in Beaverton, Oregon. Okay, once you see the area pop up here on the bottom, go ahead and click on it. Okay, so next Propstream is going to let you know how many property they have logged for that area. You can see there's about 56,000. However, to filter these out and make a list of condos, you're going to click here on filter. Okay, once you do that, here on the left, you want to click on property details. Once you click there, you're going to see these 5 options. Click on residential. And once you're in residential, go ahead and look for this one here, condo townhouse. Okay, now you can see it filtered down to about 6,200 condos. So for me, that's a huge list. So I'm generally going to go ahead and filter that down even more. So for example, here on the MLS, I'm going to click here, and I like to buy off market. So I'm going to look for this button here, no as on market. Also, I like to buy from individual owners. So I'm going to click here on the left, owner information, and here under owner type, I'm going to click individual. So you can see we're down to about 4,600 properties, and maybe you're looking for a certain type of condo. So we'll click here on property details once again. And let's say that we need at least 2 bedrooms. So we'll click here 2, and then we want at least 2 bathrooms. Okay, now we got it down to 3,200, and maybe you want to go ahead and filter this down because we're not really trying to buy multi-million-dollar condo. So I'll click here on value and equity, and then the estimated value, I'm going to put a max on this. Let's go ahead and put this at 500,000. Okay, it looks like the majority of condos in that area are under 500,000. So maybe I'll go ahead and drop that down to 300,000. Okay, so now we have a list of 545 condos. So I'll click here, view properties. Okay, so for me personally, that's a pretty good size list. But again, that really depends on your marketing budget. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to find a list of condos using your Propstream account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.